How to block third-party cookies in Microsoft Edge. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies in Microsoft Edge. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is just follow the simple instructions given in this tutorial. So let's get started. On your system, open the Microsoft Edge browser. On the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. Now, in Settings left-click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Under Cookies and Data Stored, click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. A new window will appear. Now click on Block Third-Party Cookies option. If you want to block third-party cookies in specific website, below, click on Add. Now enter your website, then click on Add. This is the easiest method to block third-party cookies in Microsoft Edge. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.